There we go. 6 miles away from 100,000 miles up in the Mini Cooper. This is a huge deal. My goodness. I mean, so many different places, so many people today. Shout out to 24 Hour Fitness, all the toll roads, HEB. I'd like to give a shout out to all the parks. I'd like to give a shout out to Slidell, Louisiana, and my peoples out there. I thank you. Okay, kitty mama, what you got? We're excited. Woo! 4 more miles and I still got a smile. If any of you have ever achieved this feeling before, my goodness, it's happening again. Shout out to Chevron Gas, Supreme only. 3 more miles and I'm in a 100K club. My goodness, what a prestigious accomplishment. I didn't even have a car in junior high school. Now look at it. My palms are sweaty. Oh my goodness. 2 more miles? All right, let me slow down. You only get 1 shot at this, guys. Woo, I'm nervous. 9. When is it gonna happen? The suspense is killing me. 5 digits to 6 digits at any second. If you've never seen this happen before, this is your moment. Starting off, full tank of gas, ready for this.
Y'all gon' make me lose my mind.